Hi, work from home family. Welcome back to another video. I have a couple of remote jobs for you today. Sorry, I've not uploaded in a while. Yeah, we have customer support specialist, middle position. We have support AI analyst, and we have director of customer support from Cloudbeds. These are US based companies, but they're hiring from Africa and worldwide, as you can see. So, before we explore the details, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. The first one is from Plata. Plata hires worldwide. So just click on this see open positions to check their other roles. They have different roles that you can, work on. They specialize in finance, investments, customer care, collection, support quality. They hire Mexico for their face-to-face, that's their office location. They also hire in Colombia and they hire worldwide. Their work model includes remote work, hybrid, office work, and field work. So feel free to come here and see if you find something for yourself. But for this video, I'm focusing on this one, customer IT support specialist. They're looking for a customer IT support specialist to join their customer IT support team. The customer IT support team is responsible for managing technical issues of the company's clients, resolving issues related to the company's products, and ensuring users have a clear understanding of how to use them. Challenges that await you: coordinate incident response from detection to resolution by operating quickly and effectively, respond to critical incidents, classify, prioritize, and escalate them to the appropriate technical teams, coordinate actions across multiple teams to resolve incidents as quickly as possible, and stay involved until full resolution. Monitor the health of critical company services and infrastructure. Keep internal stakeholders updated on incident status and resolution progress. Organize post-incident recovery actions and customer communication. Prepare post-incident reviews to identify root causes and improve future responses. What makes you a great fit includes 2+ years of experience handling significant incidents in a high-load production environment, 3+ years of experience in customer-facing roles within support, product, or service delivery, ability to coordinate multiple teams simultaneously, understanding of how large-scale IT systems work and interact. English level should be B1 or higher for effective communication with an international team. Your bonus skills: experience with public cloud, microservices, and monitoring systems, technical or support experience with AWS, Kubernetes, and Linux or Kafka. Experience working with ITSM systems and or incident management platforms such as Incidents.io, Rootly, Fire Hydrant, or similar. Their ways of working is innovative spirit, honest feedback, supportive team, celebrating achievements, high-tech environments. As for their benefits, this is quite amazing. They have relocation support to one of their hubs, either in Cyprus, Georgia, Serbia, or Kazakhstan, with assistance for the employee and their family. So if you're from my immigration channel, you can apply for this job. If it works out, then you go, right? Flexible work from one of their offices or remote. Healthcare coverage, education budget, language lessons, professional training, and certifications. In case the country they're taking you to doesn't speak English, they will cover for the budget. Wellness budget, which include your mental health and fitness activity reimbursements. They also have vacation policy, 20 days of annual leave and paid sick leave. So if you're ready, apply for this one like this. Have your resume handy, your cover letter, your LinkedIn profile, your website, and submit application here. The second one is from Alpaca, support AI analyst. It's a 100% remote job, but the company is based in America, okay? It's a US headquartered self-clearing broker dealer and brokerage infrastructure for stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, fixed income, 245 trading, and more. Their team members are a dynamic team of 380 plus globally distributed members who thrive working from their favorite places around the world, with teams spanning the USA, Canada, Japan, Hungary, Nigeria, Brazil, the UK, and beyond. They're searching for passionate individuals eager to contribute to Alpaca's rapid growth If you align with their core values, stay curious, have empathy, and be accountable, and are ready to make a significant impact, they encourage you to apply. The support AI analyst will serve as the primary owner of AI-powered support tools and automation initiatives. Things you get to do: you own and manage support AI tools, including chatbots, agents, copilots, knowledge retrieval systems, and workflow automation solutions. Monitor AI performance, adoption, and effectiveness using defined KPIs and reporting. You will identify repetitive support workflows and develop AI-driven solutions. You partner with support leadership to prioritize AI initiatives based on business impact and customer needs. You create, test, and optimize prompt workflows and automation logic. You will analyze customer interactions to identify gaps in AI performance and opportunities for improvement. Maintain AI knowledge source, FAQs, and training data to ensure accurate responses. Who you are: must-haves: 1 to 2 years of experience in customer support, support operations or business operations, experience working with AI tools like chatbots, automation platforms, or prompt engineering, ability to interpret data and translate insights into actionable improvement, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, etc. How they take care of you: they have competitive salary and stock options, health benefits, new hire home office setup, one-time 500 USD, monthly stipend of $150 per month via a Brex card. This does not include your salary for this role, but this is your welcome bonus. So if you're ready, go ahead and apply for this one. And the last one is Director of Customer Support from Cloudbeds. The company is based in North America, but they're hiring worldwide. Any job I share here, they must be hiring from Africa. Okay, before I share it. I can share jobs hiring in the US. I have loads of them. But I have to make sure that the company is also hiring from Africa before I talk about it. At Cloudbeds, they're not just building software, they're transforming hospitality. Their intelligently designed platform powers properties across 150 countries, processing billion in bookings annually from independent properties to hotel groups. What you will do: how you make an impact. As Director of Customer Support, you will lead their global support organization and own the experience hoteliers have when they need them most. What you will bring to the team: lead a global multi-time zone customer support organization, bring a track record of moving the metrics that matter and rebuilding team health, apply deep hospitality or hospitality technology experience to every escalation and process decision. You understand property operations, distribution, and what downtown costs a hotelier is in real time. Deploy AI-assisted support with strong instincts for where it helps the hotelier. Translate technical and operational concepts into clear practical guidance for non-technical customers. What sets you up for success: 8+ years in customer support or service, including at least 4 years leading team with experience leading other leaders. You need bachelor's degree or equivalent, experience scaling a high volume support function, a bias toward fixing root causes. As for bonus skills to stand out: senior leadership experience managing managers across multiple regions, advanced degree in hospitality or business. I know this one might not be for entry-level people. For compensation, depending on your skills and experience, you can expect your annual compensation to be between 150 to 180,000 US dollars per year. What to expect: your journey with them behind, and we can rate this. Company awards to check out their awards, discover their benefits. They are remote first, remote always, PTO in accordance with local labor requirements, monthly wellness Friday, full paid parental leave, home office stipend based on country of residence, professional development courses in Cloudbeds University. Everyone is welcome, a culture of inclusion. So feel free to apply for this one. It's been a while. Thank you so much for sticking around on this channel. Please like, comment, and share. Share the video to anyone that is interested. Even those interested in moving abroad, this video will also benefit them. Thank you so much. Links will be in the description of the video. I wish you success in your applications. I'll see you in the next one.